In. Flat. Little gem. Little Copart special. That would have been the bumper. Right guys, we just bought this little Corsa E. It's a Cat S from Copart as usual. Can't really see why it's a Cat S at first glances, so I'll have a quick look at the damage. Obviously structural, mean chassis. It's a damage that. The only thing what is damaged is the brackets for the wing by the looks of it. Chassis legs are fine. It's damaged the front panel, but that's a bolt-on part. Obviously bonnet and hinges. Headlight, wing. Damage the wing mirror. Hopefully the door's okay. Of course, you know, obvious damage on the door. Maybe just where the mirror mounts. But apart from that, it don't look a bad little car. It's only got 47,000 on the clock. We got 2 keys. Let's have a look around the vehicle. 16 plate. That makes a change. We've got a party shelf and a boot mat from Copart, and if anybody buys on Copart, you know that's a rare thing to get. What else we got on it? Let's have a look at the service history, see if it's got any. Locking nut, service book, let's have a look. It's another little rare find. Bloody hell. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 service stamps. It was actually done, when's that? October? No, September. September, 47,078. So it's done 700 miles since its last service, and it was a full service as well. So yeah, happy days. Well, it don't look like a bad little car at first glances, so obviously we'll just rip it apart, make a little list of what we need, and source a few bits. Alright guys, we've got the red Corsa in on the ramp. We've had to push it in because the battery's stone cold flat, even the jump pack won't get it going. So in this video we're going to try and get it stripped down, get the parts, fit the parts, and hopefully it's more or less done, ready to be cleaned and up for sale. We have already got a few of the parts, but obviously I just want to make sure we've got no hidden damage. Well yeah, we'll show you that now. Right, so that's the wing, the bonnet, bumper off. Next up is to get this front panel off. Also bonnet hinges because they're bent. We get them off. And I think this is the only reason it's a Cat S. Them brackets being bent and just pulled that one bit of weld off there. But there's no structural damage. So do you think that warrants being a Cat S? Because I don't. Like I say, I'll carry on stripping. Well, that's everything fully stripped off now, including hinges, airbox, passenger headlights out, everything. I'll show you some of the new bits we have. So we've got a wing in red, bonnet, hinges, managed to get a mirror with a white cover to match what's already on the car, headlight, front panel. We did have to buy a bumper in silver. And then I got my mate Buns, who's painting transporter, to paint that for me. I've just got to put strip on and a bottom grill in it and change these out because that car ain't got fog lights. So yeah, there's all the parts. There's the pile of old parts. And what we'll do, we'll get the front panel on. Let's start slowly building it back up. We do need a couple of plastic trims that sit under the headlights, the bolt to the front panel on the headlight, and the bumper sits into that. Passenger one's broke, driver's one's missing. So yeah, we'll crack on. Nice bit of progress. We've got the front panel on. We've also got new wing on and the bonnet, as long with the hinges. Lines ain't too bad. Bit more tweaking, and yeah, it'll be perfect. Colour match is good as well, to be honest. So front panel's on. Same again there on the wing line, ain't too bad. Let's pop the bonnet. Yep, front panel all lined up nice. Next up, bumper and headlights. I've just got to get some, like I say, plastic brackets for there. Get in the comments, guys. Tell us know what you think. Nice little repair. Should have been a Cat S. I don't know, what do you think? Right guys, we got wing, headlights, bonnet, front panel, all on. Coach up the front bumper on today. We've had to order some bits which will be tomorrow. Bracket what goes underneath the headlight for the bumper to sit on. Both sides, that was broke, that one's missing. One bumper to wing bracket, and also the one cover, if the car ain't got fog lights, so like a blanking cover for the bumper. There's just that, and then we can get them brackets on, get the bumper on, and that's the front end done. But I think for now what we'll do, chuck the wheel on, get it off the ramp, and we'll change the door mirror, and then tomorrow we fetch the bits and we get it finished off. That's the mirror on. Managed to get one in white to match the other side, which is sound. There is a slight little dent here just behind the mirror, but I'm going to change the door for that. And yeah, what do you think to the stripes under the bonnet? Do I leave them? Do I take them off? Does it give it match the wheels and the mirror being white? Obviously there's always a risk of taking them off and then you'll still see them where there was being red. But yeah, got a battery on the way and get the bumper and that on in the morning. Right, it's the next morning. It's actually Wednesday. We're going to try and get this video out tonight. So the plan is get the new brackets on and the bumper on. Danielle's going to start hoovering it out and then we'll get it washed. I'll show you some of them brackets. So we've got 2 bumper brackets. One will go there. That one will go there. Wing bracket, driver side, and there's that cover we needed. So yeah, we'll get that banged together now. When we're doing these salvage cars to buy and sell, we tend to just pop a new set of number plates on, put a bit of our branding on there as well, you know what I mean? But just gives it a bit of a cleaner look, I think, a nice fresh set of number plates. So I'm going to bang these on, we'll get it aside and give it a wash. Course is all done. It had been a bad little turn round yesterday and today. Obviously we've got bits sourced first. Yeah, tidy little car, 16 plate, low mileage, 2 keys, full service history. It is going up for sale, 3,500. So if this is something you're interested in, drop us an email or contact us on our social media platforms. Danielle, I'll do a little quick walk around of it now and show you the car cleaned. All I need to get is the MOT done, an airbox and an aerial. I'm going to pop the old airbox back on for now just for the MOT, but it will come with a fresh ticket, even though it has got MOT until next September, but we always put a 12 months ticket on it. So yeah, we'll show you the car now, let us know. One other thing before we show you the car, hit that like button, share and subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Danielle will show you the car now.